Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a home decor haul. I want to show you guys all the items that I got for the girls' room. Yes, I said the girls' room. It's kind of weird still saying it. I still can't believe we had our baby daughter 15 days ago. And her name's Athena. As some of you know, I did share the news on my previous video. And also I've been sharing pictures on Instagram. But anyways, I'm excited to show you guys what I got for the girls' room. And I hope you guys enjoy this haul. So, let's get started. Adorable, she's so little. Well, actually, she's not little. She's big. But she's teeny, you know, compared to Leo. Leo looks humongous. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys what I got for the girls' room because I am redecorating the room. And of course, I'm going to do a video on that. So before we get started with the video, I do want to apologize for not announcing the winner of my previous giveaway, which it was on this doorknobs that you guys loved. And yeah, so I want to announce the winner right now. And the winner is, so if you're watching this video, please email me, or no, DM me on Instagram. The winner is Vanessa Saravia. Right here, Vanessa. You're the winner. Oh, Vanessa, please contact me so that I can send you your beautiful doorknobs. Thank you so much for everyone who entered the giveaway. Of course, I am going to be having more giveaways, so everyone gets a chance. But anyway, so let me show you guys what I got. A few things I got at Ross, Home Goods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. As you guys know, I love shopping at those stores, discount stores. So I did find this cute little album, and I got it at Ross. The price for this was $4.99. And I just thought it was really pretty. I initially got it for Rosa. I mean, nothing else. I didn't think I was going to have a girl. But I'm very happy I did. But anyways, it says, family is where life begins and love never ends. So I'm going to be putting pictures of the girls here. Athena and Rosa, her little sister. And I'm not sure if a few of the items that I'm going to show you, I showed you on a previous video. But I think you don't mind just because I wanted you guys to see it all together in case this is your first time watching this video, so you can see it and kind of picture the idea of what I'm trying to accomplish in her room or their room because they are sharing rooms. I did get this little container from Ross. It's just really cute. I was planning on putting it on top of Rosa's vanity. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw the vanity. I did order her that vanity back in December, but the UPS guy ruined my package, so we ended up returning it. Or actually, I never really made it here because they told me that it was damaged. And they refunded me the money, but now I found it and I bought it for her, and it's beautiful. It matches our bedroom set, which I was kind of tempted, like, oh my god, I really want it for myself. But I actually have vanity up here in my makeup room, so I really don't need another vanity. Or maybe I do, but I don't know. I also got this for them, which is a little box. It says, enjoy every moment. As you can see, so far the stuff that I have showed you are most of them pink, and the color is pink blush. So I am planning on doing pink blush and gold and a little bit of beige as well, because Rosa's bed is beige and crystals and shiny stuff, as you're going to see on this video. I like my house to be very bright and a lot of light, so therefore I don't like buying curtains that are thick or dark. So I did purchase this ones right here from Ross. The price for them were only $9.99. And this is how they look like. And I think they're really pretty. The fabric, I think it's cotton, I would say. Oh no, it's polyester. When I first purchased them, I thought it was more like a silky material. But now that I see it, it's actually not. Which is good. I'm planning on putting some flowers, which I showed you guys before. These flowers are from Michael's. I believe I paid $12 for them. No, actually no. They were $14.99, and I think there was a 40% off on top of that. So it was not that much. But anyways, I'm planning on putting flowers on top of the curtain, like on the top, and making it more pretty, and then maybe some lights or something. I already did some filming showing you guys how it currently looks, and then we're going to decorate together. As you guys saw, I did a video like that for our bedroom, and you guys seem to enjoy it. So I thought, hey, let's do Rosa and Athena's room together. I am not going to have Athena's stuff anytime soon But I am planning on doing like a little nursery reveal once I have everything together, which I really don't have that many stuff, but I'm working on it. This is from Ross. I did pay $7.99 for it, and it is this little basket. If you guys see my stories on Snapchat, you have seen this little box. I actually did some pictures for Athena, newborn pictures. It was so cute, the pictures that I did for Athena, and this is how it looks like. It has 3 little butterflies. Super cute. And I'm planning on putting here, I'm not sure yet what I will be placing in there. The color of Rosa's bed, it is very similar to this. So it was a pretty awesome thing that I found it. And I love it. So it was only $7.99, you guys. It had different sizes. It had a small one, a big one, and a medium one too. I think this is the smallest one. Also, I got this box from Marshall's. The price for this was $7.99. And I'm planning on storing Athena's little bows in here and headbands. And also her hairbrush. So yeah, it's really cute. It's pink and it has rose gold, white, some little birds and flowers. I just thought it was really pretty. And you can't beat the price. You guys did see these pillows right here, right behind me before. I did decorate for Easter. But as you guys can see, my decor is off. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with these pillows because I don't really decorate with pink. So I was like, hey, I'm actually going to use them for Rosa's room. And I think I'm going to place them on her bed. And it's going to look super nice with the comforter. I'm going to show you guys the comforter. Finally, this comforter is so pretty. I love it. But yeah, so these are the pillows that I'll be using. And I did get them at Ross. I believe I paid $16.99 for them. I did show you guys these pillows on a previous video. So, yes. But I'm showing them to you guys again. Okay, this is one of the items that I'm most excited about. My friend came over last week and she saw it. She's like, oh my god, Leslie, it's such a beautiful, beautiful item. And she said, you got it for such a great deal. But anyways, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. This is the rug that I'll be using for the girls' room. I'm thinking I'm going to put it under Athena's crib. It is so pretty. You guys, it's such a big rug. I did purchase this at Ross. The price for this was only $44.99. As you can see right there. $44.99, and this is the dimensions, which is 48 inches and 72 inches. Right there. Wow. Such a great deal. It's really soft and it matches the comforter and everything else perfectly. So this is the new rug and I'm planning on doing tummy time on it for Athena, and since it's such a big rug, I think it's going to be perfect for under the crib. It's going to give me more space on the outside to use this. Such a pretty, pretty, pretty rug. I was going to say such a pretty blanket. But anyways, okay, moving on. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more items to show you guys. This candle I showed you guys on a previous video, and I purchased this a while back. It is from Bath & Body Works and it's raspberry and peach macaron. And what I loved about the candle was that it was pink and also a little bit of rose gold on the top. So it's going to look really, really pretty. Maybe on top of her vanity or on top of her, she has like a dresser. That would be really cute too. And it's safer because if I do decide to turn it on, it's not going to be where Leo can reach it. Because Leo gets into everything nowadays. Okay, so I also did pick up some towels. And these ones I did get them at Ross. The price for this was $3.99. I got 2 small ones and 2 big ones. The big ones were actually they were $6.99. And this is how $6.99. This is the little pattern. It's so pretty. And again, the color is pink blush. So everything is super girly, feminine, very delicate. And I'm going to show you guys the comforter, and then after that I'll show you one more item that I'm not sure it's going to go in the girls' room just because for safety reasons. But I'll show you that right now. And the comforter, this is really pretty much where I got my inspiration from. And the comforter, I did get it a long time ago. I saw it and I just thought it would go perfect with Rosa's bed. this was before we even knew that Athena was going to be in the picture. We didn't know if we were having girl or boy. But I did saw this at tjmax.com and I purchased it from online. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks. This is the comforter. I'm not sure if you guys can see it very well, but it's so cute. This is how it looks like. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see it better. 1 second. Okay, you guys, so this is how the comforter looks like. It's very romantic. It is a 5-piece queen. Oh, that's right. I didn't even know that I did get it on a size queen. Her bed is a full, but it's still going to fit just right. Alright, let me show you how the pillow looks and the fabric. And this is the style. Rosa's bed is kind of like cream goldish. So when I saw the stitching right there, it's like cream and goldish. And that's the reason why I went for it. I just thought it was so pretty. This was a little pricey in my opinion. It was $100. I did get it a while back, like I said. And it's just really delicate. It's soft. And whenever I shop for comforters for Rosa, I have to make sure that they're lightweight, that they're soft, just because of the way she sleeps. I have to make sure that the blanket is not too heavy. That's just something that I always look after Rosa, because I don't want her to feel claustrophobic with something that is so heavy and on top of her. I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but yeah, that's just how I have to look for certain things for Rosa. As you all know, she is she has arthritis, so therefore she has a condition, so therefore I have to shop. I have to especially shop for her. Same with the clothing, the shoes, just everything. And the fabrics too, certain fabrics she can't wear just because of her arms. And anyways, I'm getting off topic. But yeah, so that's the comforter I got for her, and I'm super duper excited to put it all together. Okay, you guys, I saved the best for last as always. I am so excited to show you guys this. I actually purchased this back in, I want to say November, December, I can't recall, but it's been a while since I had them, and they were just collecting dust, you guys, to be honest, because I wasn't sure where to place them. But now that I got all the things together for the girls' room, Athena and Rosa, I thought, hey, that would be really pretty, but I don't know how safe that would be. So therefore, I'm not going to place them in their room. I'm actually going to keep them here in my makeup room, because now that Leo is very active, I am scared that he might grab it and break it. So anyways, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. At the time that I purchased them, I wasn't sure if I wanted to get just one or purchase both of them, but I ended up going for both, which I'm really happy that I did, because I can always put them in my room on our nightstand. On top of it, that would be really pretty. Or another place where I can place them is here in my makeup room on my vanity, one on each side. That would look beautiful with a candle, of course 5 candles. Or another thing that I was planning on doing with this is use it as a jewelry holder, maybe place some jewelry. Not too crazy about that idea, but I did purchase some stuff that I'm going to be hanging, little crystals from Amazon, and I'll show you guys how they look as well. I believe I paid for those $10 if I'm not mistaken. I will put the link down below if you guys want to check them out. Let me grab them first. So this is how the crystals look. Look how stunning they are. Let me do a close-up so you guys can see it. So I thought if I put this little hanging crystals on my candle holder, okay, so it would be something like this. Of course, I need to fix it nicer, but you guys get the idea. I honestly love it more with the little hanging or dangling crystals than this, right? Don't you guys agree? Of course, it looks kind of messy because I just did it really fast, but I am going to sit down and make it look really nice. And I think they were really affordable, you guys. 40 bucks each is such a steal, and it's going to give my room such a glam look, which that is pretty much what I'm going for, as you guys have seen my room before. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below, what was your favorite item out of this whole haul. I'm such a glam girl. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Kisses.
I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue.
I wanna